6 must-have for a service business website. What's going on, guys? I hope you're doing well, and today I'm going to talk to you about 6 things that you can implement to start getting more conversions, specifically for service business website. Because take in mind that in the internet there are different type of people. Each person is a different world. Maybe one person, they want to see testimonials before they get your service. They want to see that other people are getting your service, what they're talking about your service, and maybe other people, they want to look at pricing. They want to see what is your pricing plan, how much do you charge, and you need to attack this person with different angles, with different things that can help you get conversions, can help them decide to go for your service. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 6 things that you can implement to start improving your conversions on your website. And the first one is testimonials. Testimonials are super useful when it comes to helping decide the user that you are the best way to go. And there are 2 types of testimonials. You have video testimonials, written testimonials, where you put the picture of that person next to the text, the review that they left. But by far, my favorite one is video testimonials, simply because I feel that people engage more when they see another person talking about how good your service is, And you can also use these video testimonials on your paid advertising campaigns. Let's say that you have visitors on your website, but they haven't decided to get your service yet. What you can do is to run a retargeting ad, and you can show them these testimonials. And trust me, these type of ads are really high converting, so they are really helpful for that. So go ahead and start putting testimonials, especially video testimonials. If you can't, go for those, and you can use them in your website and your marketing strategies. Number 2, we have case studies. Case studies is just basically like telling the history of what you have done for a client, and this doesn't apply to every service business. This is more like for those impactful services that have more impact or changes in the life of the person. Like for instance, you can compare a carpet cleaning service for a plastic surgeon service. It's more life-changing, the plastic surgery. So if you have something like that, a service like that, then I highly recommend you to use case studies, because trust me, it's really gonna help you convert those potential customers, help them decide that you're the best choice to go for them. So, and this also go hand in hand with the testimonials. You have case study, you have testimonials, you have basically a good portfolio that showcase what you are capable of. So I highly recommend you that start implementing case studies so you can start converting more people on your website. Consultation appointment. So this is useful if you provide some kind of consultation, free strategy call, or you charge for 1-hour consultation to your client, giving this possibility to your users where they can put the best day and time for them to have this type of call. And actually, I have a video where I teach you how to add an appointment scheduling option on your WordPress website. The tool that I use is a free tool. It's called Calendly. Super useful, and I really like it because let's say that one of your customers is outside the country, or maybe you want to attract people outside your country, in different time zones. Calendly automatically match your time zone with their time zone, so you don't have to worry about any of those. And you also have the option to receive payment within the program. Okay, so go ahead, guys, go check it out if you want to add this option on your website. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's gonna be a link below or somewhere here in the screen, or if you're watching this on my Instagram or Facebook page, you can go to YouTube and watch the full video there. And the next one is pricing. Pricing is super important. When the person goes to your website, they're gonna go and start searching. They're gonna start looking at your testimonials, your case study. They might like them, but they always gonna look how much are you charged. They want to know the price. And if you don't have the price, they're gonna go to your competitor's website. And if your competitor has the price, they're gonna go with your competitors, and you're gonna lose that potential customer. Simple as that. So what I recommend you to do is, like, for instance, I know that sometimes you can give like a specific quote to a person, how much you can charge them. For instance, if you're a dentist, you can give them a specific price for them because each person is different. They might have more problems in their mouth health that other people might have. And if you're a consultant, financial consultant, the same. Maybe a business has more problems than other business. So this gonna change the prices, of course. Now, what I recommend you to do is to put ballpark ranges, like my prices start at $500 or my services cost between $200 and $1,000, something like that. Give the person, the user, an idea of how much you can charge, And something that I like about this is that you can use them as a filter. It can help you filter customers because you don't want to be wasting your time, resources, energy on getting into calls with people that at the end of the day, they don't have the financial possibilities to get your services, okay? So at least when they see a range of how much you can charge, they're gonna say, okay, I have the possibility to get these services from this business. So it really gonna help you attract high quality customers. And also don't be afraid of putting your prices. A lot of people, they relate high price with quality. So if you believe that you have a high price, it's because you know that you're gonna provide a high quality services, and you just want to get people that they're aware of your capabilities, that you can give them a high quality services. That's why you have that type of prices. So don't be afraid of that and start putting your pricings on your website. And before I continue with this video, if you want to learn how to build your online presence for your business, how to create a website, how to create sales funnels, how to start using paid ads to get more customers, go ahead, go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find this training valuable to get started. So let's continue with the video. And the other one are frequently asked questions. People, they may not be sure of why they should go for your business, if your service is the right service for them. So what you can do is just brainstorm those objections that a person might send you in your messengers, on your WhatsApps, or in the history that you've been with your business. You already know those objections, so you can list them out or just start brainstorming and put them on your website. This way you can start breaking those barriers, and trust me, these small things are gonna make a big difference. Once a person go on your site, you're gonna start converting more users. So I highly recommend put frequently asked questions. And the last one is a lead magnet. You need to understand that a person that goes to your website, they won't purchase, they won't get your service the first time they go to your site, Just be aware of that. So in order for you to not lose that potential customer, I highly recommend you to have a lead magnet, something where you can ask for a personal information from the user and you can bring them into your world. So once you get that email, you can do so many things with that information. You can do retargeting ads, you can do email marketing, you start building trust with that person until they buy, because take in mind that a person that doesn't get your service the first time, it doesn't mean that they won't get it later, because every person is a different world. They react in different ways. Other people are more, they have more decision. If they want something, they have the money, they go get it, and that's it. Other people, they might have the money, but they still have doubts. They have other priorities, and they just think, okay, I'm gonna get that, but later. So how you gonna keep in their mind? By being in constant contact with them, by retargeting ads, email marketing, provide value, all these kind of things. This is how it works. So I highly recommend you to put a lead magnet, something useful, something valuable for them. Let's say that you are a personal trainer. You can have a video training on teaching people how they can start, weightlifting. I do CrossFit, something I would like to have It's a weightlifting video series that help me improve my skills. Or if you're a financial consultant, give them a checklist, a cheat sheet on how they can improve their finances, their personal finances, that can impact their business finances as well. Something like that. You have to brainstorm something that is easy to create for you, but is extremely valuable for your clients. You can also use this lead magnet on your advertising campaign on Facebook, Instagram. You can run a lead generation campaign, and this way you can get more eyes, you can get more customers to share their information. You can start building your audience faster. So I highly recommend you to put lead magnet. For me, I believe lead magnet is a really important piece of these online business things, because at the end of the day, you need to focus on building your audience online. That is your most important asset that you're gonna have. Okay, so basically that's it, guys. I hope that you have found this video valuable. If you have any question, comment below. Make sure to click the like button so more people can educate themselves on this kind of topics, and if you want more help, guys, I have a free training where I teach you how you can build a website, how can you start using paid ads to get customers, and how you can also start using sales funnels, to get even more customers and sales. So you have to go to jordanvelazquez.com/trainings and start consuming the content that I have there. So basically that's it for this one, guys. See you in another video.